right, everybody, we are all hooked up. Departing the park here at Deer Creek. We had an awesome weekend. We had a little bit of an issue hooking back up, but that was our first rehook. So we are all hooked up. Vic, got anything?
It was a chore.
It's about 90 degrees.
It's the Hensley hitch, and if you've never done it before, it can be a chore. But that's to be expected with something that's brand new. That you got to work out the kinks.
Yeah.
My brother-in-law, Aaron, from Camping with the Abercrombies, came over and showed me a couple of things, something I did wrong. So
yeah,
it's a learning curve.
But we got it for the next time. But not saying we won't have no issues next time, but we got that issue and we understand how important that was. So he came over and we're both rolling out together. And this is going to conclude our first trip. Up front, in front of us is Aaron, and the little three-wheeler is his wife, Felicia. She wanted to get her little three-wheeler out, so she's in between the both of us, so we can keep an eye on her. We don't have that far to go. We're going to take our rigs to the storage facility from here. So we'll be in touch once we unhook. And stay tuned. Also subscribe to our channel, like and share, and hit the thumbs up and the notification bell. So stay tuned for the ending of the video once we arrive at the storage facility. All right, hey everybody, we have finally made it back from Deer Creek, and we had an awesome time with Camping with the Abercrombies, and we both all just got to the storage facility as we both used the same place until we get our yard right. But until then, we are at the storage facility, and we're not far from them, but she has definitely done us justice this weekend. She is parked in her spot, and they are unhooking. Vic is here, we're here, and then they're over here. And everybody's unhooking. Aaron and Felicia, and he's just giving us a trial run on how to unhook. He'll unhook his, and then Vic will go unhook ours. So more knowledge from Aaron.
Yeah, we all make mistakes though.
Yeah, but yeah, they're going to work on the unhooking process. And he'll unhook his first, like you said, and then Vic will come over and unhook ours. So we'll use this storage facility for now until we can get our land prepped properly. We don't want to rush that. So until then, we'll be here. This is definitely secure. It's lit. It's locked. Cameras everywhere, so we will definitely be checking on our new toy. So we will definitely check back with you all probably when we're going to start our preparations for the Delaware State Park trip. So stay tuned. We are the Real Weekend Warriors. We camped this weekend with the Abercrombies, Camping with the Abercrombies. So please go to both of our channels and subscribe, like, and share. And we will get back with you later. Have a wonderful day.